Hello, and welcome to another tutorial by Randy Orwin at the University of Washington Information School. This tutorial is going to show you how to set your Mailman lists into digest mode so you can reduce the amount of email you receive on a daily basis. So to get started, let's go to the Student Groups page on the iSchool website. This page lists any academic listservs or any student groups that our school sponsors. And in this particular one, I'm actually going to try and subscribe to the MLIS chat listserv. And so what I'm going to do is just click on this link. It's going to take me to the Mailman list. It's going to give me a description about the list, how to use it, how to subscribe. And when I scroll down a little bit, you're going to see this box here in the center of the screen. It says UW Community. I'm already logged in, so it shows me I'm already logged in. If you're not logged in, that box is going to actually have a login button where you put in your NetID and your password, and that'll get you logged in to the system. So in this particular case, since I'm logged in, it automatically knows who I am. It puts my email address here. This is the old style email address, and that's what the Mailman list uses. So if you log in with your @uw.edu email address, it will automatically convert it to the u.washington.edu, or at least I think that's how that works. You can actually put in your real name, and so when you post to the list, it will actually put your name on your posts. But if you want to set this to digest mode at the beginning, this is by far the easiest place to do that. All you have to do is just tick the yes box right there, and then we just click on subscribe. And it tells me that I've sent my request, and depending on how the list is set up, you may get subscribed immediately, or you may have to wait to get an email and then get that confirmation email. So you can see here I've received the email saying that I've been subscribed to the list. It gives me a bunch of information about that. But in order to actually finish my subscription, I need to actually go in and click on the link, and it will actually take me back in, and then I have to confirm my real name, my email address. I do want to receive lists, and then I click subscribe one more time. And I'm now successfully subscribed to the list. I've confirmed. You'll notice that in this list, though, a moderator has to do final approval, and so I just wait for that to happen, and then we're there. But I am already confirmed that I will be receiving emails in digest format from this list. So what if I'm already subscribed to a list and I want to change my email settings so that I receive my posts as a digest format? Well, we get there the exact same way. We can go to the student groups page on the iSchool website. I'm going to go back to that list that I just subscribed to. And now when I scroll down, you'll notice that I don't have a subscribe button anymore in this particular one. And so I want to actually change my subscription options. So I have to scroll down here to the bottom, and I find it says unsubscribe from the list, get a password, or change your options. So I want to actually go in here. Once again, if you're not logged in, it will ask you to log in. And then it takes me to this page. Well, I scroll down to the bottom of this page, and it shows mail delivery. So I do want to get mail from the list. But the second option is set digest mode. And you'll notice that it's already turned on over here. I can actually turn it on or turn it off using the switch. So if I want to set digest mode as off, then I just tick the box, scroll to the bottom, submit my changes. And now I have no longer set up to receive digest mode. So now I can scroll back down and we can see my digest mode is off. I want to turn it back on, scroll to the bottom, submit my changes, and I've now set up digest mode for this list. Hopefully this helps as you learn to manage the amount of email that you receive from your various program lists. And if you have questions, always you can send an email over to gahelp@uw.edu.